Hi, GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Here latest and hot news in Kwana Medi Bremo. Aluti, so we can subscribe here for more than say over subscribe to the channel. No be answer over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We understand you be a problem. For the first person I was have a video. I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up, now feel. Share my offer for us now. We will be here now and some air so. Afriyie bura yen sema abeto ye proso. Eye Agyapadie buku ye hu sema ye dija yen sebebri. Eye Okyehene amoti ofori kwesi eye Hopeson Adorye tese Hopeson yesuro. Eye sebebri na ye kohwe eye story beto amatin efa eye asimya eye Okyehene ya tubia o tese eye wasi Hopeson Adorye ye hwe eye story no. Okay, I'll say Agyapadie Document. Okyehene Secretary Sʊes Hopeson Adorye and Media General demand 10 million Ghana cedis in damages. Let us say Okyehene Edisamakata Akomaye Hopeson Adorye was in a court, which is a would demand this guy a year 10 million Ghana cedis. Say we good hopefully. Now you hear details of the story. I say the Sʊes Secretary of the Ofori Sʊes and Secretary to Okyenhene Aremeyaw Anas has filed a lawsuit against Hopeson Adorye and Media General. To say what the Media General show account a year TV3 ni ONUA TV, ONUA FM, or the one in account a year something. But say the lawsuit alleges defamation following remarks made by Hopeson Adorye on the platform operated by Media General, which includes ONUA TV and ONUA FM. Now, it's a yellow sheet here, one of the above a year Hopeson Adorye any Media General war and Sindia or Okan, a years are TV3, a Media General, ONUA TV, ONUA FM. It was also Ufrata oversees all correspondence and public affairs for the Okyenhene and the Boakye State Council is demanding 10 million Ghana cedis in damages, an apology, and a perpetual injunction against further defamatory statement. That is a city what is a 10 million Ghana cedis was also a chopa say Hopeson and Pacho. Nothing so young bra Hopeson crack say or but also a cancel a good a year watching in home. Now, what was say the plaintiff asserts that the statement made on the media platform were damaging to his reputation and is also seeking a formal retraction and compensation to the harm caused. Now, Uba Sewa, Samakata, and when the war was screened the sono, Osha a year plaintiff defendants. They said, well, there are seminal elbow a year Hopeson Adorye on the plaintiff and a Hopeson the defendant, or number 2, the only Media General, account. Like I said, semi Hopeson Adorye a campaign yes Agyapadie Document. You know, the Hopeson Adorye or no day a year Agyapadie Document and what protest moving from radio station to radio station, TV station to TV station, or semi wars Agyapadie Document. Then I go here and celebrate the Hopeson Adorye na yesuro. Now you ready and semi edako. Now so that you see a year and see the Hopeson Adorye. I can campaign yes Agyapadie Document as you see. Musem aye dija hiti ye nsem bia Hopeson e kai hiti
na 200,000 bit mi kukuru de ma sa
be shed da ye ya mo bia sponsor ma print na me cheche buku be mo bia ma miska na ma printing ka bi ba he na me the 50 copies na me dey see ha be say 54 be mo bia me yi ba ko because I have 50 agogo
se obi ka se ye betime sue obi ka se betime sue for spreading falsehood abekare o da bi se ade a wo kan so obi ka se odo ko asem di bia obi ka se o sue for peddling and say giving life to a fabricated story e dey na beka
me na me tro yen
but what now the nam
a book na the wo kokofa book na wo kan ya wo kokofa book no wo kan ya obi asi wo se wo kan book
there be
e ti dia se na wo kan
ba se ni obi wo no akofa kan na wo de nam na de kire nkrofo
na se be kire na se mampo o ga si se wo hu ya me be print ba kwa bre no me be print
so be that say nyamishra be that say betun sa fro ba Agyapadie book na de ba ya na
there be
ifrihi
Agyapade and your system no dada. Only say
Hot news all time.
Me be
You are
ignite
watching Juicy
the
News
current
on
debate.
YouTube.
Okay.
Hot news
Because now
all
man for
time.
can betima bu bonk for journalists for who do mo akenkan Kwaku Annan mo
Before I will be so mu aye no.
before say me ba be show mu no. A man for can aka ba hu krofo a o mo atra Facebook aka ho asem a. But no mo kan. O mo analyze no the way I me call no.
Okay.
Enti me study ade na analysis na me di wura mu no e catch the public attention.
Okay.
And the man for a hurry
Assume.
Na eye no kre Agyapade book obi aka se fishing boa.
Yeah, ben na book he buy.
O de me ba. Obi aka se eye fabricated the year boa. Enye no kre.
Or responding to president directly.
Me obi a
no no aka se
obi a was
fabricated.
enye no kre bia me respond to. Me say enye no kre. Ye wo mu ni se ade no ba 2016.
Okay. 2016.
Na enye Agyapade.
Na den.
What do you mean? Maybe the point in that.
Okay.
And the bus system no.
2016.
Yes. And the kokoto aba. Meka ye pass 2018. Ye call MPP communications meeting. Ya bobia someone put raise the issue say document ya about system we mu. E kasa fa the achim you for penifie. Ebe be kan yen. Eti, how do we respond?
Okay. Yeah, but someone
yeah. Gabi was there. What rubbish? Oh, we fake. What then? Move any actually. Aneja. Yeah, ding. Eti, na revision by.
Revision of the book.
Revision of the book by.
Okay.
Na revision no by no. Revision no. The omo ye no eni.
Okay.
No mo ka bibi say. COVID-19. Eba 2020 eye den na wo book mu ntie fake obi na edit omoboa.
But that's a valid point.
Omoboa me ba be chiro de nti omoboa. Book no according to what I heard, it is alleged say the whole world only one copy was printed, not in this country.
Okay.
It was printed outside the country.
You heard.
Eti nkrofuko na eyo omodia no. Eto safe, special safe for the book.
When a publisher?
Media hu. Media chance na ma chance was wa me kan bi.
Okay.
Ne matene na me kan chiro no. Eti omuhia na eja ya be safe. Omu kasa wi a no omu de ahye safe wi mu ni aloko.
Omu hia book no ho.
Omu hia book no ho.
Honanom.
Omu ye no.
Honanom na ye.
Me se omu ye.
Honanom na ye.
Na de nyani ba na jore.
Say ba nipa ba.
Yen conjure book from ayi.
Say
who is the author of Bible?
Bonintina.
Who is the author?
The Bible is a collection of books authored by different people.
Watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Eti Matthew one jore.
The book of Matthew was written by Matthew.
On YouTube. Hot
Now,
news all time.
When a true Matthew.
Check it.
When a true.
Me see check it. So enti wo muhia na omo ahwe na omo de ahye back. Na me ye sure sa hyase na de gidabi ko ba bi.
Okay.
Anna one particular meeting na Nyankopon pese o save Ghana nti no. Book no omo refi so omo de be hye save mu. Anna obi copy so. Wo hwe bi book ye kite ya, wo hwe mu ahu say photocopy. Right?
Yeah.
Photocopy all the pages. You could see say photocopy. Tinipa no photocopy ni nyina no. O dru fie. Ana odi ni phone scan ya na put into soft copy. Ana che o leak to abonten.
Book ya shada to safe. Yeah man, na che book no ye mpese ebekọ into the wrong hands.
Yes.
Omo ye book no will be so careless. Say omo wie meeting beja book na to home fan she safe ni mu and eda home obi nya kwan bitimi ye photocopy.
Higher modia.
Yeah.
And public praise.
Yeah.
Apart from say more invite obi amra studio nipa no ma. Enti manager or office na wo bibi ohonum ya wo de she save mu.
Yeah.
Na yemfa ne so refi na ka office honum. No one fan she mu a. No obeka say o ye careless. You are not. Ebia urefi ye. Ebia BBC ye.
A sensitive document there Ebeka so careless.
Me say ebia omo loko one day and now nim kwanya Nyankopon fa so ye na dwuma. Kwanya Nyankopon fa so ye na dwuma ne bi.
Ba weni atesem.
Atesem no so no book ni nie.
Okay.
eye adwuma so ho ne tie no
e be describe book no as edit as you go
omwa tie book no camera na capture on
yes that's what
what's actually restricted
or top or
now there is something you people have not paid attention to share asia ha say e dey na actually
AD 2020
revision.
Okay.
Revised version 2020 any. Now, obi say yabo Asasi Radio din room. Asasi Radio was founded in 2020. True of us. Absa Bank 2020 any change here. True of us. Enti dia say no more kan. Ade omo church say ana ede na omo boa. Look, let me break this thing to you. A member of the alleged family called me. Say, that sabook we hope see enti wugidi. And I say, na menje ni na metro ye. And was one ka 7 na matro.
Okay.
But some the TV super the church no just say mechidi ana. Then they pray.
Or wonder so wugidi ana.
Sanda oka. Na mo didi na me no me meti hode de. On the one ganja me say enti hope say comedy we wo ma me nche ma meje kakra. Na de na ba de e ka de oba be ka jam say mechidi.
Da me no frɛ
o de ma me nka sɛm no mra wa frɛ me na nse ya me ya
wiki
enye wiki
on YouTube.
Be last week
okay.
And Walker. Now he made a profound statement. Say original book no, it was not Agyapadie. It was Asase.
Obi a obusa o se wugidi no.
Yes. Who dey tie? Me say Nyankopon person was supposed to wasa. And I have the recordings here. Ma save no kama.
Okay.
Omo be challenge a me bo radio ni TV nyina so. Was it was Asase?
Because I'm wondering, sir.
What did you story no? Was it was Asase?
Okay.
Now, omo bie Asase radio no. And obi say, ebe confirm book no.
Okay.
And omo change nkrofo do change call Agyapadie. Na obi a say opposition for na atro. Na senka ya Asase na wa bia Asase radio na confirm a.
Kenyaza o de bancha
opposition for na sa ka say and you could change the from Asase to Agyapadie. How can both story? Eti okasa sem na penam say kai.
But
my belief na ye 100%.
Mama tested the veracity of story ya wa Mrs. Yeah. We nipa ne frɛ wo no. Or wonder say wugidi ana, which means that ONUA mu no njindi.
Onye ni say.
Into obusa say na wugidi ana.
Na mu pudin fifre bia na tini na. What nipa to a wo say dey.
Because me wonder obi a obusa say wugidi a no be say twa no ho aka kyerɛ say book no kura say na enye title ni na title ni.
What can someone ma what just say I don't know enye papa but say some do kokko kan ye no ana say just say wan hye utimu say wan hye da so wo kan na ni bad ho so no wa kyerem
oso wo voice no
na den me some omo pa ma me challenge me
okay
po
o wa ban mu
o say
sani pa no wa ban mu
o de nya botre da o fefi se mu to
oh say
me say I am throwing a challenge to them. Me jire mu amagana fo nyina omo se enye no kra omo nto snaps ye be ko omo feature ho a brem me so meto me snap no ma jire mu se wo dia Ghana fo adi trafa mu hu nyina no me ji omo wu awu omo mfa nko bodua ho ne yeso ye modua ne ye nyina ye ma hu 21 days ne ye hwe ne ebesi me mfa omo nko ayi gbe wo
bodua wo
ye ko brem ewo book hu so I'm saying no dia we should go there what can say the got 10 years in this asem we 10 years
na brem dey say
brem dia yiru so 21 days what say
brem ahono
powers dey show apart from that there is another omo ti omo free ho no there is another issue be that at the entem
okay
I ho na hemfo no kokoye omo nuama yen ko ho so me etira me believe
ba say wonim say obi anu obi take this challenge we anything na auto ana
that be obi anu
obi be take this challenge
so we can say ya did try to do so adetira want me take challenge no adetira want me take
say oduabo no
me what I heard I believe this book 1000%. Etira me say omo pa ye nyina ye nto snap ne yenko I will stand in for all Ghanaians omo aka book hu asem na ma gi omo bibia soa
na momodua
you pregnant guy.
A dear never book room where my book we a authentic mao.
Unim.
A dear nema woji book we di.
Buguno. In some way, Mubia ACC bako. Now, who say president yes smart. So, no person cool story no so what do you mean kun da?
Or ye den and
oh yes smart. Eko fa MPP be bata.
How?
What kasa no body voice no. No BNT, the voice no.
Okay.
In the run-up to the 2008, 2012, and 2016 presidential elections, I was the target of numerous false and malicious stories.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Baseless allegations of drug trafficking were spread, along with numerous rumors about my health, intended to cast doubt on my ability to serve as president. President Kufuor was also accused in 2008 of having sold all of Ghana's gold reserves. Again, the 2012 election saw false reports of my alleged arrest in London for drug possession and fabricated quotes designed to stir ethnic tensions. In 2016, it was alleged by sympathizers of the opposition that I had killed my late wife. Today, with a few months to the December 2024 elections, they are at it again. A fabricated document entitled Agyapadie is being peddled around by operatives of the opposition as evidence of a grand scheme by my party to annex the assets of the state. These experiences.
So,
observation, man.
Walker 2018, 2012, 2016. Was say I was the target. I.
Oboku Fonsudin.
Yeah, before. It drew way so no. Was say I am my party. Bukwe MPP in Kaho.
Also opposition na fabricated sabu.
Yes, against you or no any party. Party be na wo Bukwe mu. One only party in film. Hey, we a party ni amefo anu metum because unso abusuanya bi eye.
Ma say election tin na book ye pie.
Me say ade apia di dada. Me dey here 2020 version. You see, me to me bo ase, me nya time. Emre bia me kwakoda na me kan. Na fe me sha say me analyze ade no. Na mo say, ade emu ohu. That time na Kwaku Annan eye o project ade no TV so. No awuraji Dear Chris, I'm see Derby. I do as I say, yeah, muscle.
Now, say President Kase or non in a party na yet target, not or refer to opposition. He may be right because
baby,
what's the book he took revised version in 2020? But 2020, this book was not viral as it is in 2024.
It was not viral saying, I'm not for Nanka. She, I say our Makwa make a Wasam. Bekwa trust station be me, what are you super because I've been sorry free studio. When you say, Metro will book him, Sika ye Triama man for to do a can say damage control. Fabino.
A day no book him, what you
forward. First paragraph. A sum up everything. MPPN come. Period. Was say to our future. Made up of present and the unborn, for whom this will of a nation is being prepared. Well, no, it's in quotation marks.
Okay.
To our foremost king, Ofori, the progenies spread across the world, for whom and to whom alone, who underline words, you know, for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared. Oba be kapati asem. Omu ye dia show for opinion munyam. O for opinion of Aigwe. O for Achabi. Maybe Paramount you sound him the day. Talk bisri.
Yeah.
Enti the day ni ha. Enti me men kan ho. Enti omo mu kan ho no. Ense se ye makwan e ma busuakuo kitwa enti me fa gada Agyapadie nyina. No.
Agyapadie ben no mo fa.
What you say eba? Ya bu boso ba. Hwe. Oye, wa bu bo omoyi. Me say sa book we was more of tribal than political. Because as same way 2022 among 20. Me say there koso MPP mu no more of tribal than political or man timase.
And then an koso would describe one as tribal more than political.
Forward one. Was say as the heads of Nana Apienim Kwamframa, Nana Kuntunkrunku, and Oforipeni, our people were never defeated in the wars of old. We were nobody's subject, and yet, after 1957, we were made to live in the shadows of a descendant of people who never defeated us in the war, whilst the Ashanti kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade. What is it?
We see book in about MPP. So how do you relate this paragraph to MPP? Send in there koso MPP muni na.
Nyambo treboko.
Miti.
Netie mi yepa. Baby I can relate it to MPP. A family agenda. Yeah, but because a family members you know, a war MPP mu. That is their leader. Our model for akosoro. What do obeti bibiase? Obeti bibiase. Eti ase you know. Wa mu fi say Rabi ya peja yifo bi akọ high. Ye show mo ase. Politically no, let's cut them. Then to omo ye powerful traditionally, we should also be powerful politically. Ni nyina no. Now, what there because of
I know you won't say.
I don't know what try to how say benti ase.
Obi so beti ase differently.
Pebre now they kinkan. They follow events SEC Ghana has say from 2017. Was it currently with Nanado in total control of the whole entity of Ghana? We have a duty to ensure that we take over the commanding height of the essential fabric of the country, in order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scene after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of Ochimai will be firmly secured and such control both financially and economically that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana.
Hopeson.
Yes.
Suswan pass will be a bonitiri mu pose obe fa oman niema through politics. Ususu sesa nipakuo no omo be tro dia to ho say and give evidence of whatever crime they are masterminding.
Baby.
Who will do it? Baby. Who will do this? Why never say?
Why if you are on the breasted and often is a very fortunate gagra.
No, but who will do this?
Me say. The whole word, the book was just one copy. It was not printed even in Ghana.
But I know a kasa.
That's a guide. A kasa say.
A kasa. What? A kasa. What kasa?
Oh, baby. It's a project.
And it's not Bisa was say. Yes. The publisher. Was it the whole world? One copy per. Who published the book?
And baby say.
So when to me a master details na a kasa.
My fro. I'm my information. Now better ha. Obeka say Hopeson a catcher me say.
Obeka. But who is the publisher in a catcher one?
What say?
Publisher in a catcher one.
Publisher in the Meda Kohunu. But the
whole world, only one copy in a publisher here. You must know the publisher to know so only one copy in a publisher here.
Now, and you patch him say, Undi Muslim Bush and no a catcher beno. Nipada or Ben Sayina or no air cano Undi Muslim one.
Many material him nipa kura woka. When I walk into
I'm not obliged to mention.
Of course, but
information mikura. What do you mean baby aminka? What I say? The thing is here, black and white. And it's happening. What do you see one people more who say yes, I don't know you're clear no. Wherever. She was it? Waka baby, baby. Was it with the arrival of Nana? We see the rebirth of a second JB Dankwa who has come to the rescue. Now, was it in doing this?
If you join us on Facebook, at the screen also.
That's right. Was it why you know what the measure that mamo the rare book na ngada we no mo de anything na no mo ka say we no agrofo edit no mo use we as Adam Beka media we na ye photocopy from the original book no bese na ma osisi a na mo project here no na manfo hu
difference wo mu
kra.
Oh, I see. The book here create different from the social media
edition. And one more review here. Look, one more bo bidin wa hase. My main fanchiro wa hase. One more bo
graphs ne eyi nyina home.
Share. What the metro
pie chart nyina.
Send here one more registered galamsey companies 332. Our more spread or more across our mu two galamsey. E de mo ne nyina wo book we mu. Ne nyina wo book we mu. Share. Was it the technical team? The technical team led by DM Ofori Atta should further evaluate the following details in order to choose the appropriate site. Galamsey area ni ayano. Green hano ahana go do ni nyina hyehyɛ no. Wa ho ne ate no. Yabodi wa. So you are talking about what? Another thing wa about what dem pesa me burden na me di bedru ho no. Was it in doing this, we need to be strategic. We should have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups, including some carefully selected people in Ashanti, in other diverse ethnicities and lands. This will make them believe that they also have hand in the pie. It will obscure any suspicion that the project is essentially an Ofori project. This point is crucial because with electoral policies, we have to have our eyes on the numbers. In the electoral process, we cannot be blatant until we are completely secured in the endeavor. This is especially so because so far, the Ashantis constitute single most populous ethnic group in the country. Now, share paragraph 9. Was it although the Ashanti group within the current MPP is gearing itself up to take over the party after Nana's tenure in 2024, it would be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. With hard work, we could work to pass the mantle over to a non-account person, preferably from the north, under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover project. And I know what saying. The flower of the MPP Ofri Wale. Ofri North. Ain't you know? Said no more kwa Boakye Agyarko from Ashanti region. Adani move from Ashanti region. Akoto Efra Ashanti region. Alan Kyeremanteng from Ashanti. Kwabena Agyapong from Ashanti region. Kojo Kyeremanteng from 6 of these from Ashanti region. One move be anywhere. Ebi krampo de omunya 0.
But delegates need decide here.
Oh, delegates saying that system.
Abattoir no was regulated by my party constitution.
System jiro bi so ding. Now the one you call boom for pampa mo free. You can say.
How many places? How many places? How widespread was that? Nipa hen na yabo mo pamo wo mo during a year mo primaries no.
O pese a year 1,000 answer.
Me wonder ni impact ebe ma sa ne wo bu mu abemu.
Look. Hwe ye ko super delegates. Super delegates omo do saying. Ashanti region no do so no me saying 124 anamewa. There are some places we match them from a room to the center.
Okay.
E just said that you again. When you say nana man for kika sika de twetwa man for 200,000 300,000 one day
na say no de primary time bia sketua bem
wo de fe no to nchanya no classroom ne yeka ba me pesa wo tias say de ya state e wo forward ha no abamu anasa mbam abamu
it could be coincidental.
Because
circumstances
was reviewed in 2020.
Yeah, but Ninja make us a bit by coincidental and say circumstances, no.
Okay, wait.
The same all year round during primaries.
No problem. Memo, you circumstances are.
Okay.
Beba. But so young people now can defend this idea where o mabe bodachi.
Nyabutre me ne ye 111 amre o mo so abe
Nyabutre boko me babusuafo nya bia mepe babusuafo enya bia mepe anti wo dey say nya no kra ma wa me
but say
ene under banking o ma categorize banking no into 3 mu use o mo ankasa o mo term o mo use mother o mo use biological children and adopted children mother no ejina home Bank of Ghana na ehonum ne eti omo pese omo take ho ni se omo ka se base omo nya sika ewo abrochi omo pese omo de ba oman no mu a se ne be ya eye for omo private business se ne be ya omo bitimaji sika no eti won hu se obi adi sika ba you need to wire the money and no go through the proper channel ya tititi wa yi the source of a year a hodum so wa declare ya titi no ni ade genuine money na ba ya won crofo so mutimi discover ha say ya and go through wire underground na ba be shim
that's money laundering
yes na kwakwa money laundering eti ye nhwe se ye benya e hodum eti wo kan a wo say ye kan say more than it there is no problem because governor no our side.
No, it for winning and some abeto your proso. A year Agyapadie Bookie and Musama Dija, Musabi, Rona a year Okyehene Chesses, Zero, Kwesi, a year Hopeson Adorye, and Sama Wakafano, and for a year Agyapadie Bookie, and now we see 10 million Ghana city or pesa, Sikano every year Hopeson Adorye. The Musam and I and Bravo. Because Juicy so and our channel, so we now subscribe with Bomodina say or subscribe to the channel. Sanse Happy latest and hot piece of one day Bremo. After we are now like video, give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for some will be now wash and I will and some also. I will go on. Also, to be actually what you find some week now. I will comment boxing over to you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.